welcome to Outlook. Just going to go over the instruments that we're trading. It's all about managing them from now on. I'm not going to be adding any instruments because there is no point. There's no point in forcing other trades. These trades played out beautifully, so I'll just go over what we're in. So we're in dollar Swiss short from here. We're in CAD yen short from here. And dollar CAD long. So let me just, from Monday's high from here. So yeah, there's no point in me adding any trades. Absolutely killed it. All about just maintaining what we have and sort of keeping an eye on these trades and see how far we can push it coming into Friday. So I'll just go over the trades and how to get into them for anyone that didn't watch the previous outlooks. So dollar Swiss had this sort of cluster here that was looking at that price was coming up into with this sort of bullish channel. Now I don't trade channels with that. It was just to depict the market structure. Was waiting for a break in market structure. We also had higher time frame levels lining up with, if I put the day dividers on, we have previous Mondays here, Monday low, and we had Monday's low here. So on Tuesday, when I seen this acting as support, any break of that Monday's low and this level was a sell. You keep stop above swing highs, and that is an unbelievable trade. Now let me just tell you that the premise of me not touching this and walking away from the charts is depicted beautifully by this candle here that came back up into Monday's low. Now if you moved your stops to break even, you could have well been took out, and then we have another two news events basically came back the whole way up. People would cancel this, would mess about with it, and now look where we're at. So you just leave the trade alone and I guarantee you you'll become far more profitable. Okay, CAD yen, unbelievable trade. Let me get all this nonsense off. Weekly, what I've been saying for weeks, swing points, trade swing points. Swing point, look at the move after. You get bullish move after. Swing point, I've said look for the bearish move. Don't be fooled by the break above. Look for it to get back below. And what do we get back below? We have Monday's range low here, and then we had Monday's midpoint. Let me just put that in for you. And I said I did not want it to get above Monday's midpoint here, and this is the higher time frame level. Pinged straight off it, broke back below Monday's low, and has just just kept going and going. Once you catch these big moves, they move. So grateful for that. Just taking what the market gives us. You just have to be in the position to make the most of these moves. Dollar CAD as well, which I said last week, if you go over the videos, I was looking for a break above this level, break above Monday's high, because I was looking for a bullish move based off higher time frame support and resistance, and then we got this Monday's range here. We actually did get the break above. We got a perfect retest and then just shot higher. That is beautiful. So even see this price action slowly grinding lower and lower, getting tighter and tighter. There's something big about to happen. So I'm just glad I caught these moves. Hopefully you caught some as well. I'm not looking at anything else because there is no point coming into Friday. I don't need to force anything. Just take what the market gives you and be happy about it. Don't give it back, basically, getting into stupid little trades. So yeah, hopefully you found this helpful. There'll be no market outlook tomorrow as I don't trade Fridays, but I'll probably do a weekly recap, break it down a little bit more, and then I have a mechanical strategy breakdown video that I need to do for October, Mechanical Strategy killed it and is doing very well this week as well. So if you have any questions or interested in anything, or just let me know what you're trading going into the week, if you caught the moves or not, I'll be more than happy to talk trading with you. So wishing you good luck for the rest of the week. NFP tomorrow, so be careful, and yeah, see you on the other side.